Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Arianshah, and today we're going to be looking at another Olympus DOA fork known as Spartacus. This is on the Fantom network. So what you're going to need is you're going to need to use the Spookyswap bridge to bring over your Fantom from your Ethereum to your Fantom Opera network on your MetaMask. So you need a minimum of 50 Fantom, I believe, to do this. We put 239 Fantom, around $500 worth, and we did this for Spartacus. And Spartacus is an Olympus DAO fork on the Fantom network. For those of you who've seen our video on Euphoria 1 and have already more than doubled your money, definitely smash that like button. But we've been showing a lot of Olympus DAO forks, such as Euphoria, and Spartacus is definitely one we're very bullish on in Fantom. The one problem here is that Spookyswap takes a while, and it takes a while to see where it takes a while to bridge the token. It took about 6 to 8 hours, so definitely take that into account. And when it goes through, you can use any swap to see if the transaction is still confirming. So that is how you'll switch your Fantom from Ethereum chain to the Fantom network, so that when you're in MetaMask, you're properly connected to the Fantom Opera. And as you can see here, we received SPA, that's Spartacus token, and we had swapped 230 Fantom on Spookyswap Finance on the 27th. So when we did that, we were able to come to Spartacus. And I want you guys to look here because it's very important. This price of Spartacus is 165, and the backing of it is 131. So why do I say this? Is because if you look at something like Time Wonderland, and we have our money in Time as well, and Time is the top 100 coin, Olympus DOA fork, run by Daniele, and they've talked about going into the gaming sector. So we'll see what they're doing. Their strategy is a little bit different than Olympus DAO. But Olympus DAO, if you check wonderland.money, you will see that the backing of Time is not even that to what is Spartacus is. And Spartacus is such a lower cap coin compared to Wonderland. But when we look here, we see that that's the price, and this is the backing, 2,129. So 3 times its price. Whereas when we look at Spartacus, we see it's only $35 more. So we can have a lot of faith here that this isn't a rug pull, unless these are just fake numbers. But if this is going to do something similar to what Euphoria or Time did, I believe it's going to be very, very profitable for Spartacus. So this is why I'm showing you guys these, so you can see these connections. If you haven't seen our video on Euphoria WAGMI, which means we're all going to make it, definitely check it out. But we bought Euphoria at under $1,000. And we bought it around like $900, and then it went up to 1703, and we're getting 500% on it. So when you come to Spartacus, now that you have your SPA, you can stake your SPA. It'll ask for approve, and then you can come to unstake your SPA. So you can see we have 3.0979 SPA here, and we're gaining 537% APY. The last few weeks, about a week and a half, crypto has been correcting, and it's a good time to get some APY on your cryptos while you're waiting on the sidelines and Bitcoin is going sideways. But yeah, guys, this is our video on Spartacus. Let me know if you have any questions on how this would work. People don't believe these are these type of APYs because we're destroying traditional finance completely. But this is reality now. This is what people are doing, and definitely check it out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. But yeah, have a great one, and definitely stake your money. It just doesn't make sense not to, and don't put anything you can't afford to lose. All right.